much trouble now, now. Sometimes I just wanna tell you to stop, so you don't go and break my heart. I'm so confused, babe, I just don't know. So now I gotta
damaged. One man's trash is another man's baggage. Slow you down, I ain't going nowhere. Spacesuit on, can't breathe this air. TNT going off in here. Ain't we up there? 'Cause you always wanna touch me. My thorns will leave you bleeding. That's why I'm always leaving. Believe me, 'cause you always wanna touch me. My thorns will leave you bleeding. That's why I'm always leaving. Believe me. One more shot, one more round. Take my hits, pound for pound. Promise I'll let you down. One more shot, one more round. Don't step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose. Don't step on my rose. Step on my rose. Step on my rose. You told me situations left you lonely. Tried to give you my best shot, but my best don't mean a lot. Bullseye always miss, that's why it's all I got. 'Cause you always wanna touch me. My thorns will leave you bleeding. That's why I'm always leaving. Believe me, because you always wanna touch me. My thorns will leave you bleeding. That's why I'm always leaving. Believe me, believe me. So one more shot, one more round. Take my hits, pound for pound. Promise I'll let you down. One more shot, one more round. Don't step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose. Step on my rose. Step on my rose. Step on my rose.
You got that something that can't be seen. You got that one thing that's hard to come by. It's not your styling, it's not your jeans. No, what you got is deeper within. And your friends don't even know what you got. They just hang with you 'cause you earn a lot. You should lose them all and start hanging with me, 'cause I'm the only one who can see. I don't need your dreamy eyes, your dreamy eyes, no. I don't need your pretty smile, no. I just want your perfect blows my mind. The way you're thinking, it's hard to keep up. You got that beauty and all the brain, yet what you got is deeper within. And your friends don't even know what you got. They just hang with you cause you earn a lot. You should lose them all and start hanging with me, cause I'm the only one who can see. I don't need your dreamy eyes, no. I don't need your pretty smile, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. I don't need your edgy style, no. I don't need your hang-arounds, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. If I might say, you light up my day so bright. You show me your way, and I'm no match for you. No, I'm no match for you. Ooh, I don't need your dreamy eyes, no. I don't need your pretty smile, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. I don't need your edgy style, no. I don't need your hang-arounds, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need.
Next month.
You made it work, I made it work. We fell apart 1,000 times. You moved away. I'm here to say, I wish I could go back in time. I'm so sorry that I hurt you so deep. Swear I spent the last few years just trying to change. I'm on my knees and I'm begging you, please. Is there any chance you're thinking about me? Guess I changed my ways. Won't you come back to me? Make no mistakes. Won't you come back to Come back, won't you come back to me? Come back, won't you come back to me? Yeah, I'm a mess, I'm not my best, but I won't stop until you're here, you're miles away. It's safe to say, it's almost like you disappeared. I'm so sorry that I hurt you so deep. Swear I spent the last few years just trying to change. I'm on my knees and I'm begging you, please. Is there any chance you're thinking about me? If I change my ways, won't you come back to me? Make no mistakes, babe.
Hello, my loves. Good morning. Welcome to another vlog. So, hope you guys are doing okay. Hope you guys are alright, guys. Winter is here. It has started snowing and it's very, very cold. And going outside is like an obligation that you have to go. But I want to quickly run to Aldi get some things for the house. I want to make stew, I want to make soup, and I don't have fruits in the house, so I want to go to Aldi, get few things for the house, come back, and let's see how this vlog unfold. Yep.
You come back to me. Come back, come back, come back. Won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come back. Won't you come back to me? I just wanna let you know I'll do anything to get you here. Oh, I could never let you go. I'll make it worth your while if you appear. If I change my ways, babe, once you come back to me, make no mistakes, babe, once you come back to me.
Hi guys, so I'm back home. I went to Hutchinson, then I went to Aldi. I just got a few things for the house. I want to make soup and stew, and I got guava. It's been so long I had this. I saw it and I decided to get them, but I just want to sort this thing out, and then I would parboil the tomato, so tomorrow it won't be stressful. I'll parboil my tomato, I'll parboil my meat, and know that tomorrow it will be easy to do. Yeah, and I need to do the laundry, I need to wash, so that's what we're doing today. Then probably make pasta for us to eat. It's very cold outside. It's been snowing, and yep, just wanted to update you guys.
I've been feeling emotional, thinking about you, babe. What can we focus on? What we should do? Tell me the truth, 'cause I don't wanna see you with somebody else. And I've been feeling lonely in this king-size bed. I'm trying not to worry about the things you say. I ain't got the time, you're always on my mind. Baby, why you playing with my love? I'm trying to be patient with you now. I'll never be sober if you don't pull me closer. Look me in my eyes and tell me how. I'm hypnotized. I'm hypnotized. Feeling delusional. Thinking about us, baby. Your body's so beautiful. All I want is your love. Can't get enough. So I don't wanna see you with somebody else. And I've been feeling lonely in this king-size bed. I'm trying not to worry about the things you say. I ain't got the time, you're always on my mind. Baby, why you playing with my love? I'm trying to be patient with you now. I'll never be sober if you don't pull me closer. Look me in my eyes and tell me how.
Hi guys, hi. So I just finished making pasta. My tomato and my beef, I'm parboiling them for tomorrow, so tomorrow won't be stressful for me, but I'm glad I accomplished everything I wanted to do today. I just want to rest. Then tomorrow I'm going to make stew, bitter leaf soup, and I'm just going to take care of myself. So I'll see you guys later. Yeah.
I'm hypnotized.